Have you ever pondered upon the potential of making money with ChatGPT? Well, it's not just a passing thought, but an achievable reality. This video will lay out an easy-to-follow, step-by-step guide to help you turn this AI tool into a lucrative venture. In the world of technology, one innovation that has been making waves is the generative pre-trained transformer, better known as GPT. Developed by OpenAI, ChatGPT is a third iteration of this technology, designed to generate human-like text based on the input it receives. But how can one harness the power of this AI tool to generate income, you may ask? Well, sit back and relax as we delve into this exciting journey. Step 1. Understand the capabilities of ChatGPT. To effectively monetize this tool, you must first comprehend what it can do. ChatGPT can generate creative content, answer queries, tutor in various subjects, translate languages, and even write software code. The possibilities are endless. Step 2. Identify a niche. Once you've understood the potentials of ChatGPT, the next step involves identifying a niche where this tool can be of great value. This could be anything from content creation, customer service, tutoring, to software development. Step 3. Develop a product or service. After identifying your niche, it's time to develop a product or service that leverages ChatGPT. This could be a blog that uses AI-generated content, a customer service chatbot, an AI tutor, or a language translation service. Step 4. Market your product or service. With your product or service in place, the next step is to market it to the right audience. Use social media, SEO, email marketing, and other digital marketing strategies to reach your target audience. Step 5. Monetize. This is the final step where you start earning. You could monetize your product or service through direct sales, subscriptions, or ads. The choice depends on the nature of your product or service and the market demand. To summarize, making money with ChatGPT involves understanding the tool's capabilities, identifying a profitable niche, developing a product or service, marketing it, and finally monetizing it. It's a journey that requires creativity, strategic planning, and a good understanding of digital marketing. But with the right approach, it's a journey that can lead to a rewarding destination. Remember, as with any business venture, making money with ChatGPT requires patience and perseverance. The road to success may be littered with challenges, but the rewards can be well worth the effort. So why not give it a shot? Harness the power of ChatGPT and let it open a new world of opportunities for you.